Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis from Typhoon2000. And this is for today, Saturday to Monday, April 25, 2022, to give you the very latest on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands for this weekend. And this is our English version, so let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, which we issued last night, Friday, April 22, until today, Saturday. We have the prevailing easterly surface wind flow. These are warm winds from the Philippine Sea, and it's affecting the eastern sections of the country, penetrating into the central and some portions of western Philippines. So this wind flow will bring some good weather, except for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening in some portions of the country. So this wind system is affecting Bicol region, Calabarzon, Metro Manila, Mimaropa, Visayas, northern Sulu, and eastern Mindanao. So watch out for those thunderstorms that could bring some flash floods and landslides if we have a strong one. Okay. So outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight. We just have here the developing or becoming active, known as the converging northeasterly and southeasterly trade winds, the intertropical convergence zone. So this is an area of converging cloudiness, so expect some thunderstorms within this area, and we are keeping an eye on these cloud bands for possible development of a low pressure area next week based on the American model. But so far, if we take a look out on the European model, there's nothing. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. These are the cloudiness generated by the ITCZ. The zoom in satellite animation as we speak. Since 9 p.m. until now, it's already 2 a.m. of Saturday. You can clearly see here some weakening thunderstorms across the areas of Ilocos region, particularly Pangasinan and Benguet provinces. And also here, a small area of Iloilo. There's also one here along the Moro Gulf or to the southern coastline of Zamboanga Peninsula, and smaller thunderstorms affecting Davao region as well, moving into Davao Oriental and Davao del Sur, that includes Metro Davao. And if we take a look at the rain forecast from the European model for the next 3 days, beginning this afternoon, Saturday, we expect isolated thunderstorms to prevail across Bicol, Mimaropa, Visayas, becoming more frequent over Mindanao, and also smaller areas of Ilocos region. On Sunday afternoon, increasing thunderstorms can be observed across the eastern sections of the Visayas, the Bicol region, some portions of central Luzon, including Metro Manila, also across central Visayas, although it is quite lower chances. And thunderstorm activity over Davao region and some portions of central and southern Mindanao will be more frequent in the afternoon of Sunday. And on Monday afternoon, we expect more or increasing thunderstorm activity across the whole archipelago except for Palawan, becoming more frequent over Mindanao and some portions of Ilocos and Cordillera regions. Bicol region and most parts of the Visayas will also have chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday. As you can see here, the thunderstorms or the rainfall will be more concentrated along the eastern sections of northern Quezon, Bicol region, and eastern Visayas, and some portions of southern Mindanao. Now, the wind forecast from the American model also suggests continued easterlies across the Bicol region and the Visayas. And on Sunday, same situation until Monday, and the American model is developing a small area of low pressure here near Palau, southwest of it. But if we move or take a look at the European model, there's nothing, just a plain easterly surface wind flow. So the probability of a low pressure area developing is still at 50% or less, or middle to low probability. So we will let you know when we return next week, especially on Monday. So there you go. That's the latest for this weekend. You can enjoy your weekend trips or weekend outing wherever you are here across the Philippine Islands. But don't forget to bring your umbrellas, rain gear, because in the afternoon and the evening there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Mindanao, some portions of the Visayas, Bicol, and Ilocos region. And also including Metro Manila and Calabarzon because of the prevailing weakening La Nina. That's why rainfall will always be there. Again, this is Mike Padua reporting. See you again on next week. Happy weekend to all. Take care. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.